Hi and welcome back. If you want to change the country or region on your TikTok account but you don't know how to do it, follow these steps. First, open TikTok application, tap on your profile, then tap on the three lines at the top right corner, go to settings and privacy, choose account here, then tap on account information. It will bring you here, then you need to tap on account region. As you can see, it is set to Thailand. Then I want to change it to another country, suppose Turkey. When I tap on it, this window will pop up and it say cannot update region. The reason is that you recently used TikTok in Turkey for at least 60 days. So this is the requirement. If you want to change the region or the country on your TikTok account, at least you should stay in that country for 60 days. And after that, you can change or update your region. So guys, if you liked the video, don't forget to subscribe. I will see you in the next video. Till then, take care.